Good day and welcome to today's class. Today's class is a continuation of our previous classes on SS1 curriculum. In today's class, we shall be discussing the curriculum for SS2. And the theme in the curriculum for SS2 is a continuation of the theme in SS1 curriculum. So you shall be seeing pure mathematics and other sub-themes. And also you shall maybe look at one or two new themes that must have been introduced because SS1 is taken to be an introductory class for those of you who wants to study engineering when we talk about further mathematics. So under theme one, which is pure mathematics, we shall look at topics like roots of quadratic equations. We shall then also look at polynomials. We have topic number three as logical reasoning. Four, we have trigonometric function. Five, we have binomial expansion. And the sixth topic under pure mathematics is differentiation. So these are the topics you'll be doing in SS2 in further mathematics. Now, under the theme of coordinate geometry, we shall then look at conic section and the circle. Statistics as theme number three, we have topics like probability, permutation, and combination. Theme four, we have mechanics. Mechanics, under mechanics, we shall look at vectors in three dimensions and dynamics. Theme five, we shall have introduction to operation research. Under operation research, we have topics like inventory models as well as the replacement models. So these are the topics you will be doing in SS2. In a situation whereby you fail to complete the topics in SS1, it is advisable that the teacher completes the topics in SS1 before entering the topics in SS2. Simply because some topics in SS2 are said to be continuations of what you ought to have done in SS1. So if you should skip topics in SS1, introducing topics in SS2 becomes a problem for students to understand. That's one of the reasons why you hear students say, I don't like further mathematics, because it's not because it is difficult, but it is because of the way it is being presented to them. So I'll encourage every further mathematics teacher out there to be patient with the students and carry them along. It is better for you to treat them sequentially and not to finish the topic rather than skipping some topics in order for you to complete the scheme just to the eye of the school authority or to the parents. But when you follow it sequentially, you discover that it gives a playground for students to study on their own and understand. But when you do it haphazardly, then it's very difficult for the students to understand. So in SS2 further mathematics, how many topics do we have? In team 1, we have 6. In team 2, we have 2, making it 8. In team 3, we have 2, making it 10. Team 4, we have another 2, that's 12. And team 5, 2, making it 14. So we have a total of 14 topics to be done in SS2. And when you divide these 14 large topics into 3, it gives you approximate of 5 topics, where 2 terms we have 5 topics and a term we have 4. So if I'm to take them sequentially, in SS1, first in SS2 first term, we shall have these 5 topics. Second term, we'll pick 4 because second term normally is shorter. So if we take this 4 in second term, that will just be fine. And in third term, which seems to be the longest, we may then take this 5. So in third term, these are the topics you will treat. So this will help you to understand further mathematics better. I shall be taking them serially the way it is arranged, theme by theme. Depending on your teacher, he may decide to pick two topics in team one, first term, another two in team two, team three, until he finally ends them. So you discover that in every term, you may have a combination of team one to team five being represented in your scheme. That doesn't mean what he or she is doing is wrong. No. The way you take it depends on the teacher, but for the purpose of this class, this is how we shall take them. So in our subsequent classes, I shall take them one at a time, beginning with roots of quadratic equation. And we'll take them in that order until we get to the last topic, which is the replacement model. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Facebook and on TikTok at my lesson teacher Matt if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. See you in our next class where we shall take the first topic under pure mathematics, which is roots of quadratic equation. Bye.